Hey, I'm Alex from the Kixie sales team. Welcome to Kixie In A Minute. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use our click to call feature. Anytime you see a phone number in Chrome, you can instantly call or text that number right from your Kixie dialer. Let's jump in. Kixie's click to call feature adds two red icons next to every phone number that it detects in your Chrome browser. Whether it's the Kixie dashboard, your CRM, a Google search, or any website where you're actively searching for a valid number to call or text a prospect. All you do is click the dial pad icon to launch an outbound call to that number, or the SMS icon to queue up an outgoing text from the Kixie PowerCall extension. And that's it. Click to call keeps you fast, focused, and friction-free. Questions? Reach out to your dedicated account rep and we'll take care of you. Thanks for watching Kixie in a Minute.